Hi there, I'm Dr. Annika Sörensen, the stress expert of from AskDrAnnika.com, and I just wanted to put a few words together to tell you about the Fab Best You Expo showing up again at the beautiful Olympia exhibition in London on February 15 and 16, 2019. It brings together the best in the industry, and it really creates this creative space for like-minded people to come together. And if you are looking to make an improvement or change in your life and make it better, then you should be there too. I, along with many other speakers, are going to be there sharing how you can improve all aspects of your life. Hope to see you there.